Good afternoon, Jocelyn.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jocelyn Paolo, 41 years old, single mother, and I graduated for 2 years course, and I have 2 children. I have 4 months experience in Hong Kong.
What was your main duties in your employer's house?
Taking care of babies and housekeeping, washing, and ironing the clothes.
Your main duty was taking care of the 4-year-old child.
Yes, ma'am.
So, who sleep with the child at night?
Their parents, ma'am.
The parents. So, who sent them the child to school?
Their grandmother, ma'am.
Grandmother. What time do you wake up in the morning and what time do you sleep at night?
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, and then I'll sleep at 10 p.m.
How do you start your day as a domestic helper in your employer's house?
Pardon, ma'am?
How do you start your day as a domestic helper in your employer's house? What do you do?
In the morning, I clean the house in the morning, and then I prepare the milk of the baby, and then change diaper of the baby.
So the 4-year-old child still wearing diaper?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times do you cook?
2 times.
2 times a day.
Sometimes 1.
What Chinese food you know how to cook?
Steamed fish, barbecue, chicken barbecue, soup, and then the vegetable, steamed vegetables.
If your employer in Hong Kong tell you to clean his or her mother's house, are you going to obey or not?
Not, no, ma'am.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going to holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Any food you do not eat?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to follow all the instructions from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, elderly, okay. Any electrical appliances you know how to operate?
Washing machine, the aircon.
You know how to clean the aircon?
Yes, ma'am. And then the oven.
Microwave oven?
Yes, ma'am.
What about floor polisher?
Yeah, floor culture, I know.
And message for your future employer, Jocelyn?
For my employer someday, if you can choose me, I will promise to be a good helper, and I will do my best for your babies, and I promise not to break my contract. That's it.
Thank you, Jocelyn, today.